is available in the month of January. As you all know that most of the companies have visited your on campus for hiring people, but not to worry, we have some of the great off-campus opportunities that have come up in the month of January. So let me start. I'll be giving starting the series. We'll be updating it from time to time and giving you information about the companies which are hiring and what are the qualities, like whether the referral is available for that particular job or it can be applied without referral. Also, like we'll be telling you some of the important resume tips that can help you get shortlisted in the very first rounds for when you're applying on the company's website, or how you should approach that particular company, what the details, and how you will be applying, what is the last date of registration. So we'll be discussing all this, and we'll be giving the first set of companies that have rolled out their off-campus opportunities in the month of 2020, January 2021. So the first company that comes into picture is CodeNation. CodeNation has its hiring drive scheduled for 26th of January. It's basically a Republic Day hiring drive. So when we talk about CodeNation, CodeNation is a great company from the point of view of compensation package that it gives and the work culture itself in itself. So let's talk about what the role it is offering and what is the job profile for this role. So it is basically offering for the passing out students in 2021 as well as in 2022. So for the SG profile, they are looking forward to students who are pursuing their bachelor's in computer science or related branches. The CTC that they're offering is 29.5 lakhs per annum along with a base of 24 lakhs per annum. So the other details they have given in this description. Apart from that, for the SG intern, they are paying around 75,000 per month. When we talk about the structure of the test that they'll be conducting, it will be a 3 hours long test with 6 programming questions and will be conducted on 26th of January. The last date of registration for CodeNation Innovation Labs test for 2021 and 2022 pass outs is 26th of January, 23rd of January. So for that, I'll be providing the link in the description that you can go through and fill out the description form, and you'll be good to go ahead with the company's test. You will receive the link of the test on your given email ID. So this is the type of form that they have circulated, and probably you need to give your details about your graduation year, your college, and your name. This was all about CodeNation. The next company that we are going to discuss is InfoEdge. Basically, InfoEdge is a company that is it is a startup, and it has 4 companies under its name, that is Naukri.com, 99acres.com, Jeevansathi.com, and Shiksha.com. When we talk about some of the important details about this job opening, so what they're looking forward in a candidate is the candidate should be graduating in 2021 with no backlogs, and his minimum criteria in CGPA should be 7.5. The branches that they want are computer science, electronics and communication, and IT. Along with that, the CTC, probable CTC that they are offering for this profile is 11 to 12 lakhs per annum. That's a very good CTC for a fresher. Next, when we talk about the next company is Grab. Grab is basically a startup of Singapore, and it is offering a very great package. For this company, you'll not find an opening, but I'm providing you the email ID of the recruiter. You need to email your updated resume to the recruiter along with a cover letter, in which you will mention some of the important details about the achievements that you have, and how you are a good suit for the company, and how you can be a good software engineer, and along with all the necessary details like your passing out year, the internships you have done, the job profile you are interested in. Along with that, you should attach your resume, and you can see that I have flashed an email ID here. So you need to send this mail to this email ID as soon as possible, and you will receive a link for the test on Codility platform. It will be a around 3 hours long test. After that, if you qualify for this test, you will be receiving 2 technical interview rounds, and after that a normal HR interview round would be there for this company. And it is a like the CTC, normal CTC offered by this company is around 16 to 17 LPA base salary. The next company that we're talking about is Media.net. Media.net is a company that is closely associated with DirectEye. The founders of this company are also those similar to DirectEye and CodeChef. They have also rolled out their hiring for software engineer 2021 batch, and their base salary is close to 19 LPA, and the CTC is close to 30 LPA. So when we talk about how we should apply for Media.net and what are the important aspects of applying, so for Media.net, the important aspects of applying are your good hold over data structures algorithms. Your mostly the rounds will be focusing upon DSA and how good you are at in your backend skills. So for this profile, like you can ask for people on LinkedIn for referrals, and they'll be providing you referral for 2021 graduates for software engineer role. I'll be giving some of the links in the description below that will help you get a referral, as well as how you can approach this opportunity. The next company that we're talking about is Grape City Limited. So it is a company that is a company started in Japan in 1950s, and it's also a very good company. When you talk about its hiring criteria for 2021 batch, so they're hiring for the profile of trainee, and they're looking forward for people in MCA, MSc, BTech, CSIT, BCA with 6 CGPA and above. When we talk about the CTC that they're offering, it is close to around 10 LPA, and it is like good opportunity for freshers. The next company that we're talking about is Cvent. Cvent has opened its role for associate product consultant. The compensation package that they're offering is 5.5 LP, and it is open to all branches. All people from all the branches of engineering can apply for this role, and it is applicable for 2020 and 2021 pass outs. So this was all for today. As of now, the opportunities that are available. Apart from that, there are some of the other opportunities that I have already also listed in the description section. So go through them and be ready. Subscribe this channel for any future updates. We'll be updating it regularly with these kind of opportunities and bringing up more and more opportunities for you. Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck.